Hello, I am here with Mrs. Elke König, Chair of the Single Resolution Board. Elke, welcome aboard. Would you like to tell us a bit about your role here and if you are excited about your new role?
Of course I'm excited about my new role. The first thing is, I think it's probably a once-in-a-lifetime chance to really work on a startup, because this is a startup. And secondly, to contribute to the second pillar of the banking union, and with that, hopefully bringing more stability to the financial system and reducing the burden for taxpayers going forward.
And thankfully, you're not by yourself here in the Single Resolution Board. There are other board members.
Well, that's, as you said, thankfully I'm not by myself. It's not just that we have other board members. We have already some staff, and we are very grateful for the Commission that they have provided a task force that really started to set this up. Perhaps just to sketch out the board members beside me, it's first of all Timo Löyttyniemi, who is coming from Finland, and he will be the guardian of the Single Resolution Fund predominantly. Then we have Mauro Grande, who is Italian, who was with the European Central Bank beforehand. He will take over for cross-cutting functions and also financial stability consideration. And then we have 3 colleagues who will be responsible for resolution planning and, if need be, resolution, which is, first of all, Dominique Laboureix from France, it's Antonio Carrascosa from Spain, and last but not least, Joanne Kellermann from the Netherlands. So we are a very diverse team, and same holds true for the staff that is already on board and hopefully will come on board.
So I assume that there's a few challenges that you need to tackle. Would you like to tell us a little bit more on that?
I would ask you first, how much time do you have? Now, this is clearly, there are the organizational challenges that you always have when you work with a startup, which means mainly build up the team, build up the knowledge base of this team, get the relationship with the national resolution authorities, with the ECB, with the Commission, on a good footing and up and running. But in this case, we have actually one additional challenge, whereas, for example, the ECB could build on the national competences in banking supervision. In a number of member states, resolution authorities have just been set up or actually are in train of being set up. So here it is really building it up also as a knowledge base, well, not from scratch, but at least from a very limited basis so far. So challenges en masse, but that's probably what makes also makes it also interesting and hopefully attracts a lot of people that want to join.